Okay, this might be the last car wash of the spree. Unless if the next one I plan to film doesn't work. Okay, here it is. This is a pretty unique tunnel wash that I've heard. It's at this location, Big Splash Car Wash here in Colorado Springs. It's probably going to be another expensive one, but it has Hodge equipment, which I have yet to film. The place looks pretty cool so far. At least it doesn't seem too busy. Oh, this dip is gonna scrape me, I think. Oh, barely didn't. Wow. Okay, I guess we're going in this lane. Alright, cash. Do me a 20 if I can. Hello.
Are you looking for anything specific in a wash today?
Let's see, the single $20 wash.
The single $20 wash sounds good. And with it being cash, unfortunately, the cash wash on.
Oh, does it not work?
It doesn't, but I can just bring it inside for you.
Okay.
Perfect.
I want to say, if you can still take it, that would be good.
Of course, yeah. I'm gonna head inside once I eat movements. Have a good one.
All right, thank you.
Of course.
10, 16, 20, and 25. Pretty much up the line with most tunnel washes. So, should be a pretty cool place. Alright. Let's see, tunnel wash of the year. We'll find out. Oh, nice, a double conveyor setup. Wow. Dang, there's a Accutrac 316 here. That's wild. Wow. Look at this. Oops. Brush shouldn't touch that side. Man, it's dark in here. Oh, it kind of doesn't work. Oh well. Wow, that was loud. Kind of scares you to the fact that it's dark in here. There's PECO in here too. Wow. This is a crazy tunnel. This is a pretty sick setup. Wow. Sounds a little aggressive in spots. This tunnel is crazy. Look at these wicked space age dryers too. I have no idea what kind of dryers these are, unless these are like Hodge dryers or something. Wicked epic tunnel. Definitely a standout. Doesn't even switch to go, but you roll right out off of the conveyor. That is an insane tunnel wash. Wow. I don't know what to say about it, but that was really cool. I'll check on one more wash to see if it's working or not. My guess is that it's probably not. But oh, there's a giant pothole here. Thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed.